Hey, it's Jen, and I'm here to talk about why I love this ATR2100 microphone from Technica. Now, before I get started, let me just say it is super important to make sure that you get the right microphone for the job. Is this the right microphone for every job? Nope. But I'm going to tell you how I've used it in the past, and you can determine then if it might be a good fit for your purposes. Now, I have traveled around the country with one of these babies shoved in my backpack so that I could podcast from the scene of various adventures. Would I ever shove a fancy, delicate, super expensive condenser microphone into my backpack and subject it to the abuse of airport security checks and then shove it under the seat in front of me so that some 3-year-old can bounce on top of it all the way to Yellowstone? No. I would not do that. But I was more than happy to throw this little baby in my backpack so that we could podcast about our Yellowstone adventure. I'll even have a link to how this microphone sounded in the less than pristine conditions of a podcast being recorded in a Dodge minivan in an RV park in West Yellowstone, Wyoming. There are 3 things I consider when purchasing a microphone: sound quality, price, and versatility. I don't believe that you will find a better sounding, more versatile microphone for under $100 than this baby right here. And you can plug it into your laptop via this super handy USB connection, or check this out, XLR connection, so you can plug it into a recording device, an audio interface, a mixer. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.